Here is a beginner-level product management quiz covering go-to-market strategy, customer support and feedback management, and continuous improvement and scaling. Let's go! 1. What is the purpose of a go-to-market (GTM) strategy? 1. To reduce development cost. 2. To launch a product. 3. To create a design prototype. And 4. To hire sales teams. Answer: 2. To launch a product. 2. Which factor is most important in a GTM strategy? 1. Target audience. 2. Office location. 3. Internal HR policies. And 4. Employee satisfaction. Answer: 1. Target audience. 3. What does market segmentation help with? 1. Finalizing corporate policies. 2. Reducing manufacturing cost. 3. Increasing employee engagement. And 4. Identifying ideal customers. Answer: 4. Identifying ideal customers. 4. Which marketing approach is used in GTM strategies? 1. Digital campaigns. 2. Only word of mouth. 3. Ignoring competitors. And 4. Avoiding social media. Answer: 1. Digital campaigns. 5. What is product positioning? 1. Recruiting employees. 2. Reducing supply chain cost. 3. Differentiating from competitors. And 4. Creating HR policies. Answer: 3. Differentiating from competitors. 6. Which GTM channel is best for SaaS products? 1. Online subscriptions. 2. Retail stores. 3. Door-to-door sales. And 4. Billboards only. Answer: 1. Online subscriptions. 7. What is a key metric for GTM success? 1. Customer acquisition cost. 2. Employee retention rate. 3. Number of internal meetings. And 4. Length of company policies. Answer: 1. Customer acquisition cost. 8. Why is customer feedback important? 1. Reduces advertising costs. 2. Improves product quality. 3. Eliminates customer interaction. And 4. Increases employee salaries. Answer: 2. Improves product quality. 9. What is the main goal of customer support? 1. Resolving customer issues. 2. Managing internal finances. 3. Increasing HR efficiency. And 4. Ignoring complaints. Answer: 1. Resolving customer issues. 10. What does Net Promoter Score (NPS) measure? 1. Customer loyalty. 2. Product price. 3. Employee bonuses. And 4. Marketing budget. Answer: 1. Customer loyalty. Congratulations on completing the first 10 questions. Let's move ahead. 11. How can companies collect customer feedback? 1. Only guessing user needs. 2. Ignoring complaints. 3. Surveys and reviews. And 4. Reducing product features. 3. Surveys and reviews. 12. What is an FAQ page used for? 1. Increasing production speed. 2. Recruiting employees. 3. Managing payroll. And 4. Answering common questions. Answer 4. Answering common questions. 13. What is a chatbot used for? 1. Automating responses. 2. Manufacturing products. 3. Managing internal meetings. And 4. Employee performance review. Answer 1. Automating responses. 14. Why should companies offer multiple support channels? 1. To improve customer experience. 2. To reduce HR workload. 3. To increase legal compliance. And 4. To limit customer access. Answer 1. To improve customer experience. 15. What is continuous improvement? 1. One-time product release. 2. Ongoing product enhancement. 3. Avoiding product updates. And 4. Reducing all feedback loops. Answer 2. Ongoing product enhancement. 16. What is A/B testing used for? 1. Comparing product versions. 2. Setting employee salaries. 3. Determining office hours. And 4. Reducing customer reviews. Answer 1. Comparing product versions. 17. What is the key to successful scaling? 1. Limiting market reach. 2. Increasing product cost. 3. Reducing customer base. And 4. Operational efficiency. Answer 4. Operational efficiency. 18. Why should a company analyze product performance? 1. To eliminate customer input. 2. To reduce product value. 3. To identify improvement areas. And 4. To focus only on sales. Answer 3. To identify improvement areas. 19. What is a KPI in business? 1. Knowledge Priority Index. 2. Known Product Issue. 3. Key Performance Indicator. And 4. Key Production Insight. Answer 3. Key Performance Indicator. 20. What is product lifecycle management? 1. Managing product evolution. 2. Avoiding product updates. 3. Reducing product quality. And 4. Ignoring market trends. Answer 1. Managing product evolution. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.